Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change underline thickness in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to change underline thickness. At first, go to a slide, then select this text. Now I am select the text, click and drag on our mouse and select the underline option. We can see the thickness is so long. Now we want to change the thickness, select the font option. We can see here the underline style. You want to change the thickness, select this line option. We can see here the double heavy line. Now I am select the OK option. We can see we change thickness very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.